Millions of years ago, before modern civilization, early humans discovered something that changed everything: fire. The first cooked food was likely roasted meat, making it easier to chew and digest. Fossil evidence shows early humans used fire to cook their meals as early as 1.5 million years ago. But it wasn't just meat. Early humans also cooked starchy plants like yams and tubers, making them easier to eat and digest. As humans evolved, they developed new techniques like boiling food with hot stones, leading to more advanced cooking methods. From fire to modern kitchens, cooking has shaped human evolution. What will the next food revolution be? The discovery of fire not only changed the way humans ate, but also had a profound impact on their social structures. Cooking food allowed early humans to gather around the fire, fostering a sense of community and cooperation. Imagine the warmth of a fire on a chilly night, the shared stories, and the bonds formed over a communal meal. This social aspect of cooking is still evident today. From family dinners to holiday feasts, meals are often shared with loved ones, creating moments of connection and joy. The simple act of cooking and sharing food has always been about more than just sustenance. It's about bringing people together. As we look back at the origins of cooking, we see not just a technological advancement, but a cornerstone of human culture and social life. The fire that cooked our food also kindled our communities, lighting the way for future generations. As humans continued to evolve, their understanding of the world around them grew more sophisticated. This sophistication extended to their cooking techniques, which became increasingly complex and varied. The invention of pottery was a significant milestone. It allowed for the boiling of food, which opened up new possibilities for cooking and food preparation. This advancement led to the creation of soups and stews, which could be made with a variety of ingredients, providing a more balanced diet. These dishes were not only nutritious but also flavorful, making meals more enjoyable. Imagine the first time early humans realized they could use clay pots to boil water. This was a game changer, revolutionizing the way they prepared and consumed food. Suddenly they could combine meat, vegetables, and grains into a single nutrient-rich meal. This not only improved their diet but also made meal preparation more efficient. These early soups and stews not only offered more variety, but also made it easier to consume tougher ingredients that were otherwise difficult to chew and digest. This innovation was crucial for their survival and well-being. The invention of pottery also led to the development of other cooking techniques such as baking and fermenting. These methods expanded their culinary repertoire. Bread, made from ground grains and baked in early ovens, became a staple in many cultures. It was not just a source of sustenance but also a symbol of community and sharing. Fermentation allowed for the creation of alcohol and preserved foods, which could be stored for longer periods. This was particularly important for surviving harsh seasons and ensuring food security. Each new technique and tool brought with it new flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. These innovations were passed down through generations, becoming integral to human culture. Cooking became an art, a science, and a crucial part of human survival and culture. It was a way to express creativity, share knowledge, and build community. As we trace the evolution of cooking, we see how each innovation built upon the last, leading to the diverse culinary world we enjoy today. The journey of cooking is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. With the advent of agriculture, humanity took another giant leap forward in the culinary arts. The development of agriculture further revolutionized cooking. With the ability to grow and harvest crops, humans had access to a wider variety of ingredients. This newfound abundance led to the creation of new recipes and cooking methods, as people experimented with different ways to prepare and preserve their food. Imagine the first time a community harvested a successful crop of wheat or rice. These grains, once wild and unpredictable, were now reliable sources of sustenance. Wheat was ground into flour, leading to the invention of bread making, while rice became a staple in many cultures, providing a versatile ingredient for countless dishes. The domestication of plants and animals also meant that humans could settle in one place, allowing for the development of complex societies and culinary traditions. Fermentation techniques improved, leading to the creation of cheese, wine, and other preserved foods that could sustain communities through harsh seasons. Each agricultural breakthrough not only expanded the human diet, but also contributed to the rich tapestry of global cuisine we know today. As we explore the history of cooking, it's clear that the agricultural revolution was a pivotal chapter, forever altering the way humans interacted with food. The advent of trade and exploration introduced new ingredients and cooking techniques from different cultures. As explorers set sail across the seas, they brought back treasures that would forever change the culinary landscape. Spices from the East, such as cinnamon, pepper, and cloves, added a new dimension to the flavors of everyday dishes, transforming simple meals into aromatic feasts. Imagine the wonder of a European cook encountering the vibrant red of a tomato from the Americas for the first time. This humble fruit would go on to become a cornerstone of countless beloved recipes, from Italian pasta sauces to Mexican salsas. Pasta itself, a staple of Italian cuisine, spread far beyond its borders, becoming a beloved comfort food worldwide. The exchange of ingredients wasn't just about taste, it was about cultural fusion. Each new ingredient and technique brought with it stories, traditions, and a sense of connection to distant lands. Through trade and exploration, the world became a smaller, more interconnected place, and our kitchens became richer for it. This era of culinary exchange set the stage for the global cuisine we enjoy today, where diverse flavors and techniques come together in a celebration of human creativity and discovery. In the modern era, technology has continued to transform cooking, making it more accessible and exciting than ever before. The invention of the stove, microwave, and other kitchen appliances has made cooking more convenient and efficient, revolutionizing the way we prepare meals. Imagine the first time a microwave was used in a home kitchen. What once took hours could now be done in minutes, changing daily routines forever. Today we have access to a vast array of ingredients and cooking methods, allowing us to create dishes from all over the world, right in our own kitchens. From sous vide machines that cook food at precise temperatures, ensuring perfect results every time, to smart ovens that can be controlled with a smartphone, technology has opened up new possibilities in the culinary world, making cooking more intuitive and fun. The internet has also played a significant role, making it easy to share recipes and cooking techniques across cultures and continents, fostering a global culinary community. Online cooking tutorials and social media have turned home cooks into global chefs, creating a community where knowledge and inspiration flow freely, and anyone can become a culinary star. As we look to the future, the integration of artificial intelligence and robotics in the kitchen promises to take convenience and creativity to new heights, making cooking even more effortless. Whether it's a robot chef that can prepare a gourmet meal with precision and flair, or a smart fridge that knows when you're running low on ingredients and can even suggest recipes, the technological revolution in cooking is far from over. The kitchen of tomorrow will be a place where tradition meets innovation, continuing to bring people together through the universal language of food, creating memories and delicious meals for generations to come. As we look to the future, the next food revolution may come from advancements in science and technology. These innovations are not just about creating new food sources, but also about making our food systems more efficient and sustainable. Imagine a world where lab-grown meat is as common as farm-raised beef, providing a sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional livestock farming. This could significantly reduce the environmental impact of meat production, including greenhouse gas emissions and land use. Vertical farming, with its ability to grow crops in urban environments using minimal land and water, could transform cities into self-sustaining food hubs. This method of farming can also reduce the need for transportation, cutting down on carbon emissions. Innovations like these are not just concepts, they are becoming realities, shaping the way we will eat in the coming years. The integration of technology and agriculture is paving the way for a more resilient and adaptable food system. Sustainable food practices are also gaining momentum. Farmers are adopting eco-friendly methods that not only protect the environment but also ensure the long-term viability of their crops. From reducing food waste through smarter consumption and recycling methods to utilizing smart kitchen appliances that help minimize waste, every step counts towards a more sustainable future. The rise of plant-based diets is another significant trend that lessens our environmental footprint. These diets not only promote health but also reduce the demand for resource-intensive animal farming. Imagine a kitchen where every ingredient is sourced in a way that respects both the planet and its inhabitants. This vision is becoming a reality as more people prioritize sustainability in their food choices. But it's not just about technology and sustainability. The future of food also lies in the hands of creative chefs and home cooks who continue to push the boundaries of culinary arts. The future of food also lies in the hands of creative chefs and home cooks who continue to push the boundaries of culinary arts. Their innovative approaches are redefining what we consider possible in the kitchen. Molecular gastronomy, with its blend of science and cooking, is already paving the way for new textures and flavors. This fusion of disciplines is creating dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. The fusion of different cuisines will continue to bring exciting and unexpected dishes to our tables. This culinary diversity enriches our dining experiences and broadens our palates. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain: cooking will continue to be an essential part of the human experience. It is a way for us to express creativity, share culture, and bring people together. It will remain a way for us to connect with our past, innovate in the present, and look forward to a delicious and sustainable future. Millions of years ago, before modern civilization, early humans discovered something that changed everything: fire. The first cooked food was likely roasted meat, making it easier to chew and digest. Fossil evidence shows early humans used fire to cook their meals as early as 1.5 million years ago. But it wasn't just meat. Early humans also cooked starchy plants like yams and tubers, making them easier to eat and digest. As humans evolved, they developed new techniques like boiling food with hot stones, leading to more advanced cooking methods. From fire to modern kitchens, cooking has shaped human evolution. What will the next food revolution be?